designed by my dad with Vic Sr. just by sitting down and sketching it out like I was telling you. And that's how he came up with a couple of the design changes and what have you.
They took a picture, you know, the proud owner of the new crane out there like this, but they chose to have the big Cassano sign in the background.
Pretty mechanical. I mean, it's pretty hands-on. That's sort of a lost art as far as craftsmen like that.
The restoration of the Cassano sign and installation is something I've been looking forward to. This sign has basically been at the museum for 10 years. As I said before, things happen when they're supposed to. We found the perfect place to put the sign. It's going to be front and center in our Cincinnati area, and with the neon back on it, it's going to be a great addition in the collection. The first step in any restoration process is to kind of assess the sign and see in what condition the sign is in. This sign is in very good condition. Tom Wortman of Neon Works is going to assess what neon needs to be made, and then he'll make those sections of neon. The unusual shape of the sign makes it tough to deal with inside the warehouse. We've got some tight corners to go around. It wasn't a problem out when we were outside. You know, we had wide open spaces. We got in here, we got a lot of other signs here inside the warehouse, so we couldn't bring it through in the forklift, so we set it down on some dollies, which makes it a little bit easier to move.
So the next thing we're going to do, we have a lot of the original neon for this sign hanging around. I have to go dig it out, finish all the neon, and at the same time, then when the neon goes into production, we'll be doing the rewiring. I love it. One of the things that we're yet to discover is how well the old neon, the original neon that came with the sign, is going to match up to the new pieces we had to make. So I've been looking at the old pieces and comparing them to the new pieces, and they look like they might match up, but we never know until the whole sign is all put together and you turn it all on at once and you stand back and look at it. So the end is in sight for this project, and it's been a challenge, like restoring most of these signs. The story about this one is special. You know, with Vic Cassano and Buddy LaRosa, the folks from Cassano's who run Cassano's today, being involved with helping the museum have this great piece, and just that connection with the community and the past. It's always a cool thing to be part of. Yeah, I'm really proud of this piece. It's been a challenge, and I think we did a good job. I'm happy with it.